last week. The following object was presented for forensic testing. However, investigation shows that this is a never-before-seen organism. This object is mostly made up of bacteria that has been dubbed Cupriavidus Cyprium, but throughout the lab, the pathogen may be referred to by the following aliases: burnished growth, copper bacteria, fool's gold, amber change, the thing. Please note that these names are not officially viewed and are merely nicknames. During the inspection of the object, traces of copper can be found on the surface. While this may seem like an unimportant detail, there appears to be a higher presence of life near the traces of copper rather than on stray parts of the object. After this discovery, an experiment was conducted where the growth was divided into 3 different chunks. This is the setup for what was called the mineral test. The first group is our control. This group remains unaltered from the original sample. The second group has been exposed to 100 grams of pure copper, and the final group has been exposed to 100 grams of copper oxide. What you will now see is a time-lapse of the first hour of the experiment. As you can see, the sample exposed to the pure copper had exhibited extraordinary growth, and the sample exposed to the oxidized counterpart had attempted to grow but began to release gases which hindered its progress. Oxygen and copper being separated from one another would cause oxygen gas to build up, which ruptured the mass on multiple occasions. Unfortunately, the experiment needed to conclude early due to hazardous conditions. That concludes our report regarding Cupriavidus Cyprium and the mineral test. Thank you for your attention.